Hello audience, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have one of our alumnus and consultant surgeons with us. Dr. Kipta, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dr. Kinshipla Bhutia and I'm a dental consultant in Stockholm and I'm from Darjeeling. As soon as I graduated from college, I was looking for a place to work and for opportunities, so I got to know about Stockholm. And
So how many years has it been with
I've been
your
working here for 2 years.
For 2 years. Okay, that's great. So today the topic is syncope. So it is actually a very common emergency that can happen at any place at any time, and almost every doctor, every dentist has at least faced this once or twice. Can you please share some info about syncope?
So syncope is basically one of the common complication, and patient will feel dizziness and patient will feel nauseous. So it's basically loss of consciousness.
Okay. So doc, actually most of our viewers are fresher doctors. So can you just share any experience from your life so that it helps them understand better on how to manage such situations?
So recently I've experienced one of my patient, like I got for a visit where I had to extract a tooth, and then patient was a little aged and he had a medical condition of dementia.
Okay.
So then when I started with the procedure, he was already feeling anxious and anxiety. So,
Understandable.
yeah, so then when I administered the local anesthesia, he was little dizzy. He was feeling little dizziness.
Oh my god. And how were you? Like, were you also...
Yeah, as this was my first experience, I was also nervous and I was feeling a little anxiety and I was also panicking. So then I had a conversation with him and I just to distract his mind.
Okay.
So then I waited for some time and I also checked his vital signs, but then it was a little faster than the normal.
Okay.
So then I waited for some time and then I made sure that everything was under control, and even I had to keep myself calm. So this was what I was taught during the training program in Stockholm.
Okay. So patient management was the topic that was taught.
Patient management was.
Okay. So all kinds of medical emergencies you've been
Yes,
through.
yes.
Acha. Okay. So what exactly has to be done to manage a patient of syncope?
Yeah, so basically, if the patient undergoes syncope, in my case, I made the patient lie in a supine position. That is, the patient's head should be kept lower and the leg should be raised higher, so that the blood and the oxygen flows from the leg towards the brain.
The brain. Okay. And that helps in getting the consciousness back. Okay. What was the situation of the family? Like, you were doing this at home, right?
Yeah, I was nervous, and at the same time, even the family members were nervous. So I made sure that everyone was calm at that situation.
And also you couldn't show it in front of them that you were also nervous.
Because that would make more more uncomfortable.
Right.
So.
And how did it all end?
Yeah, then with help of my assistant, I shifted the patient from the anesthesia to his room.
Okay.
Then I made him lie on his bed. So when everything was under control, I was relieved, and even the family members were relieved, and they were happy and satisfied. And they offered us food. That was also a sweet gesture. And at the end of the day, the doctors will feel happy and satisfied if they appreciate our efforts.
That is very true.
Yeah.
That is very true. Thank you so much, doctor, for sharing your experience. So this experience can benefit obviously the fresher doctors also, जो भी ये काम करना चाहते हैं, जो भी इस लाइन में जाना चाहते हैं, because this you will face at some point of your career. So how to handle this is important for our doctors as well as for our patients, because syncope or unconsciousness is a very common thing. It can happen at any time, anywhere, to anybody. So everybody should know how to handle such situations. That's all for today. And if you have any other suggestions on topics that you want to know about, that you want us to work on, please let us know in the comment section. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you so much.